All right. Good morning, guys. Today we will look into this problem, which is question 8, wherein we will see how are we going to account our abnormal loss, and also wherein in this question we also have working note number 1 and working note number 2 with two process accounts. Let's read the question. A product passes through two distinct processes A and B. From the following information, prepare process accounts. You have process A and process B given the relevant information. The material consumed we have. Tell me guys, debit or credit?
Debit.
Direct labor?
Debit.
Manufacturing expenses?
Debit.
If you see here, you have input process A, which means whatever the units which you are introducing in process A is given, the concerned value for that units is given as 10,000, which means each unit is costing us 1 rupee. Are you clear, ma? 10,000 units have been introduced with the value of 10,000. Therefore, each unit is costing us how much, ma? 1 rupee. And we have output also given, followed by normal loss percentage. Value of normal loss per 100. Now, this is very, very, very important. This is your thing for the first time. Per 100, it is 8 rupees. Okay, I will tell you how to deal with this when I get into the process account. But before that, tell me, should we go and do working note number 1 here? Guys, should we go and do working?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why? In this question, we have input. We also have normal loss. Also, we have normal, output in units. So, whenever we have input, normal loss percentage and output, we are supposed to calculate working note number 1. This is what I already told you, right? Hello? Yes. Now, let me, okay, fine. I just have a message, 1 minute. I am not able to see that. Okay, I'll see that later. Right. Let me start the problem. Working note number 1 is calculation of abnormal loss or abnormal gain in units. Okay. Now tell me guys, if you guys can tell me the pro forma, what are the things which we will get? It will be easy for me. Okay. I have two process accounts, so I'm taking one particular column followed by two columns, one column for A and one column for process B. Clear? So particulars we have for process A and process B. Right. Yes, ma, we have to start our working note number 1 with input. Yes or no? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
A, we are introducing how many units? Please see the question. We are introducing 10,000
10,000.
into the process. So please take 10,000 here. 10,000. Then we have to subtract our normal loss. Now the normal loss percentage is 5% for A. Let's take this less normal loss. Okay, so here we have 5%. Please calculate 5% and tell me.
500, ma'am.
10,000 into 5% gives you how much, ma? 500.
500.
So that need to be subtracted. So my normal output, what I'm going to get? 1 minute. Yeah, the normal output after subtraction, whatever I'm going to get is 9,500. Yes? 1,000?
Yes, ma'am.
don't know whether we will have abnormal loss or abnormal gain. Does normal output need to be compared with actual output? Actual output is already given in the question. How much more? We have an actual output of 9,400, right? 9400. Right. Tell me guys, see, 10,000, we have subtracted 500 normal loss, we got normal output of 9,500. So normally it is expected that you should have an output of 9,500. But your actual output is how much? 9,000. Tell me whether we have abnormal loss or abnormal gain.
Abnormal loss.
So here you have a clear loss, normal loss of how many units, ma? You have
100.
100. Anyone, any doubts till here? Anyone have any doubts, ma? No. Yeah. Anyone has any doubts here till here? No, right?
No, ma'am.
No. Now this 9,400 will be taken into your process B. So please take 9,400. Now in process B, if you see, you have a normal loss of 10%. Now when I calculate 10%, I would get how much, ma? 940 if I'm not wrong. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So 10% I'll be taking here. Now after subtraction, just someone help me with the numbers. 9,400 minus 940 gives you
8,460.
8,450 units, right?
60, ma'am.
60?
Yes, ma'am.
60. Right. So you have 8,300 as the actual output. Tell me, what is this? So here also, how much we have? How many units we have?
Loss.
Loss. Here also, in this problem also, we have a loss of
160.
right? So we have a loss of 160 units. Anyone, any doubts? Anyone, any doubts? No, right? Can I proceed? Right. Let me start off with process 1. So that is process A. Process A account. Got to maintain one particulars, one column for units, one column for amount. Same goes to the credit side also. Right? Now, if you see here, let's take all the material, all the things which are coming on the debit side, all the material, labor, all the other expenses. Tell me, ma, the input or the material is 10,000 with the value of 10,000. So I have to first write here 2 input. Please take 10,000 and 10,000 in your amount column. We also have material. So material consumed, how much, ma? We have 12,000. Right? We have labor of 14,000. That has to be 2 labor. Right? Then we have any manufacturing expenses of 4,000. Right here, 2 manufacturing expenses. You have how much, ma? 4,000. I think that's all with your debit side. Yes or no, guys? We have covered all the things. Now, on the credit side, you will get what? The normal loss. Yes or no? We already discussed. We have normal loss. Now, tell me, from working note number 1, how many units I have? 500 units. Yes or no? Right? Hello?
Yes.
Tell me, it is 8 rupees for 100. So for 500, how much? It is 100, sorry, 100 into
4,000.
8 into 5. Clear? Yes, ma? Sorry, I'm sorry. No. What did you do, Shivani? You directly,
I did 500 into 8.
you did 500 into,
8.
no. You can't do 500 into 8. It should be like, see here, 100 units, it is 8 rupees, no? Right? So for
Okay, ma'am.
500, how much? Please do the calculation. 500 into 8 divided by 100. How much you are getting, ma?
We'll get 40.
40 rupees? Yes? So
Yes, ma'am.
that's why I have directly taken 8 into 4. If you see. Yes? Right? Did you understand, ma? Did you understand this? So for 100, it is 8 rupees. For 500 units, it will be how much? 40 rupees. Clear? Everyone? Now, we also have abnormal loss. How many units we have? 100. Now, tell me, how are we supposed to calculate the value of abnormal loss? With working note number 2, that is cost per good unit. Yes or no? So please write cost per good unit. Tell me, how am I supposed to do this? What is the formula, guys?
Cost incurred minus.
The amount which is debited to process account minus the scrap value divided by normal output. Yes or no? Please tell me the total of debit side. 10,000 plus 12,000, 22,000, 22,000 plus 14, 36,000, 36,000 plus 4, 40,000, correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
40,000 minus 40 divided by, what is your normal output? 9,500. Please tell me the answer.
4.20631.
4.20
631.
As I already told you, after if you are getting answer in points, after point consider 5 digits so that you will get the exact answer. Please calculate 100 into 4.20631. How much are you getting?
100
100 into 4.20631.
for 420.631.
So I will take 421 because you are getting 420.6. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, the balance, whatever you have, needs to be taken to your next process, that is process B. We are transferring 9,400 units. Please calculate again 9,400 into cost per good unit, that is 4.2031. Yes, the amount 9,400 into
39,539.314.
okay, round it off to the before digit, ma. 39,000, 39,
535.
35,
539.314.
39. 0.3, we are rounding it off to 39 only. Okay. So 35,000, 39,539. Now if you do, both the sides has to tally. Please do the calculation. It is 10,000 here, It is 40,000 here. You have to get 10,000 and 40,000 here also. 9,400 plus 105. 9,500 plus 500 is 10,000.
Ma'am, credit at 40,000.
Exactly, you're getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That is how you're supposed to do that. Clear? Anyone had any doubts? Anyone? Any doubts? All right. I'm proceeding with process B. Process B, again, you're supposed to right. If you see, from process A, we have to transfer to process B. How many units, ma? We are transferring 9,400 units at the rate of 39,539. All right, this is just a pure double entry. Whatever you have credited here, you're debiting here. That's it. So the material, what you have in your, this thing, process B is 6,000. Please take 6,000. Then the labor charges, what you have is 8,000. Also, your manufacturing expenses are 4,000, right? 4,000, yes, 4,000, right? This is what it is. I don't think we have other expenses here also. All right. So the normal loss units, what we have here is 940. Yes or no? So I am supposed to take 940 units here. Then for 100 units, it is 10. So here also, ma, the same logic, what you have to apply for 100, it is 10. So it is 10. For 940, how much? Please do the calculations and tell me, ma. Cross multiplications. 940 into 10 divided by 100. 94.
94.
Right? So you're taking 94. You're getting 94 here. Then in this problem also, you have abnormal. 1 minute. Yeah. In this problem also, you have abnormal loss. When you have abnormal loss, 160. Yes. So please take 160 here. Now, how am I supposed to, 160 here. How am I supposed to calculate the value? Again, I need to go calculate my cost per good unit. Right. Tell me, ma, what is the total of the debit side?
$57,539.
57,539 minus 94 divided by my normal output. Again, I have to get my normal output out of the working note number 1, that is 8,460. So please take 8,460 here and tell me the answer.
6.79018.
6.79018. Right. So please multiply this, ma, 160 into 6.79018 to get the value of your abnormal loss. How much are you getting? You guys are calculating, ma?
1,086.4288.
1 minute. 1,086. Point?
4288.
Fine. it is 4 point, after point you're getting 4, you can round it off to 6. You don't need to go to 7. Okay. Now the balance whatever you have has to go to your finished good account. Yes or no? Because this is the last process. So finished good, what is the output, ma? 8,300. So please take 8,300. Shivani, please multiply, ma. 8,300 into 6.79018.
56,358.494.
56,358.
56,358.494.
Okay, 0.49. So I am taking 56,358, right? Now please tell me, please see whether it is tallying on the both the sides. The units 9,400, here also 8,300 plus 8,400 plus 1,000, 9,400. Yes? Units are tallying. Tell me if the amount is tallying. Value 57,539. This is already known. Please check this.
Ma'am, it's like 57,538.
38. So 1 rupee, you can adjust anywhere. Either you can adjust here or you can adjust here. So take 9 here and write it as 57,539. 1 rupee, maybe that is because of the points, ma. You can adjust, no problem. Are we clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubts? Hello? Anyone, any doubts with working note number 1 or working note number 2 or any items in the process costing, sorry, process accounts? The unique point in this problem compared to the other problems what we did is this part. Here, the scrap value is not given for 1 unit, it is given for 100 units at once. So that is the reason I have calculated like this by cross multiplying the numbers. Are we clear? This is the important point here. Hello? Anyone, any doubts? No? Can I proceed? All right, this is your process account.